How to check Windows version in PC or laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can check which Windows edition you have on your laptop or desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, click on the Windows icon or start button in the corner of your screen. And then go to settings or search for settings if you don't see it. And once you are in the settings, simply tap on option labeled update and security. Now on the right side, look for the option called OS build info and simply click on it. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and you will see your Windows edition displayed. For example, here it says Windows 10 Home. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check your Windows edition on your laptop or desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.